Welcome, I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre. We're going to be talking about graphic design and having your own in-house content creative ad agency. So what you're looking at right now is called the Creative Conductor AI program that we offer. And these are campaigns that you're looking at. So if you're working with a company or a client, or you have your own product or service that you're offering, you would get these campaigns and you use them to promote whatever you need to market, right? It's called a Creative Conductor because it functions like a conductor that leads an orchestra or an opera, right? And they interpret the music and they set the tempo for the musicians. In your case, you'd be setting the tempo of the artist or the photographer or the videographer that are working alongside with you. Or if you're doing everything yourself, like I do or I would do in our business early on, right? When it was just my wife, Heather, and myself. Now, again, you got to understand that I truly believe that a successful graphic designer will learn not so much everything, but a little bit of everything so they're able to offer all these campaigns to their clients and you're going to be successful. I believe that a lot of graphic designers suffer because they don't offer enough to their clients. You're not able to offer a bundle, right? And we get into that on our entertainment video where I show you step by step of what we do, Heather and I, when we offer certain bundles to the entertainment industry, right? We stack those options that they have from photography all the way to printing options to merch that they would offer to sell, right? Whether they're selling online or they're selling at a concert, right? Now the AI part of it comes in for speed, right? I truly believe in learning traditional graphic design. When you take the course, we include high power graphic design. So you learn the traditional parts of design, but I'm really big on using AI just to speed up the process, right? It's another tool, it's another skill that you're going to pick up and add to your arsenal as a designer. Now, when you look at the campaigns here, which I call slabs, uh, they're all focused on one thing, and that's the vehicle that we use to teach high power graphic design. And from there, we use it for every single one of our campaigns. So you're learning real world experience, right? I'm not just pulling from different areas and saying, okay, we're going to use this, we're going to use that over here. So by the time you're done, you're going to be confused. This way, we take the vehicle that we designed in high power graphic design, and then we bring it over to Creative Conductor AI and we create our campaigns. Now, with that said, everything you're looking at here is something we use within our own business day to day, right? It's not when I'm teaching you anything that we don't use ourselves. I truly believe that you learn traditional graphic design as an automotive form, and then everything else trickles down from that summit and it becomes easy.
I really feel that there's a big future still for those that want to enter the graphic design industry, multimedia, and but learn your storytelling. Learn to tell a good story. All right, man. I'm Louis Armenta DeLombre, and visit me at learngd.com, and that's right there on the screen. Or if you're just listening to the audio, it's learngd.com. That's LEARNGD.com. I'm Louis, and if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. All right, man. Catch you on the next one.